In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button to your Wix website. This handy feature can enhance your site's interactivity and make it easier for visitors to connect with you directly via WhatsApp, whether on mobile or desktop. Now let's dive right into the steps to make this happen effortlessly. First, head over to your Wix editor or Wix Studio. This is where you manage and design the layout and elements of your website. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll find a menu. Look for the option that says plus add. Click on this to expand it. Once expanded, you'll see various options including one labeled button. Select that. Now decide where on your website you want the WhatsApp button to be. Common places to consider are areas that are easily accessible and visible to your visitors, like the footer of your site or within the contact section. This step is crucial because the button's strategic placement can make it easier for users to reach out to you, improving user experience. Once you have chosen the ideal spot, you need to select the button you added. This will open up several editing options. Look for a link icon, often depicted as a chain link symbol, which signifies where you can input a URL. Click on it to open the link options. The next step involves connecting the button to your WhatsApp. You'll need to paste your WhatsApp URL here. This URL is a direct link that, when clicked, will open a chat with you on either the mobile WhatsApp app or WhatsApp web, depending on what the visitor is using. If you don't already have your unique WhatsApp URL, you can easily create one by using this simple format, https://me, replacing with your full phone number, including the country code, but without any plus signs or dashes. After pasting the URL into the link field, make sure everything is set correctly. This means double-checking that your phone number is correct and that no additional characters have accidentally been added. When you're satisfied that the link is working, confirm the action by clicking Apply or a similar option, which will finalize the link setup. From here, you're almost done. All that's left is to test the button to ensure it's working as intended. Give it a click and it should open up WhatsApp seamlessly, initiating a new chat. If everything works perfectly, congratulations! You've successfully integrated a WhatsApp button into your Wix website. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to enhance communication and connectivity on your site. A WhatsApp button can make a significant difference in how easily and quickly your site visitors can reach you, improving engagement and possibly boosting your business interactions. Thank you for watching and happy connecting.